Start saving water, energy, and money today with your new faucet aerator. Replacing your old kitchen or bathroom faucet aerator is easy. To get started, simply choose the faucet aerator that is right for you. In addition to the new faucet aerator, be sure you have the washers that came with your faucet aerator and Teflon tape. You will also want an old toothbrush and a rag for easy installation. Begin by unscrewing the old faucet aerator from the faucet by turning it counterclockwise. Now, using an old toothbrush and rag, clean and dry the threaded area of the faucet thoroughly. Your new faucet aerator is designed to work with both internal and external threads. If your faucet has internal threads, utilize both washers provided with your faucet aerator for installation. Start with the thinner washer, followed by the thicker washer. If your faucet has external threads, utilize only the thinner washer for installation. You can discard the thicker washer. Now, screw on the new faucet aerator clockwise and hand tighten until snug. If you notice leaks after turning the water on, remove the new faucet aerator and add Teflon tape to the threads of the aerator. As easy as that, you're ready to start saving water and energy with your new faucet aerator.